Are you looking for the best locker lock in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best locker lock that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Bluetooth and Fingerprint Padlock IP65 Waterproof. The technology of the Bluetooth and Fingerprint Padlock IP65 Waterproof is high tier. The thumbprint padlock takes less than 0.5 seconds for unlocking. In addition, it supports 100 set of fingerprints. Family and friends can also be authorized for unlock. Hence, remove the worry for forgotten passwords. This lock will only need your fingerprint. Moreover, Bluetooth can be used for opening the lock. Remote unlock it through a smartphone's app. To add, it has a standby time of 6 months. With this, unlock your lockers more than 1,000 times. Also, it is made of aluminum alloy and stainless steel. It is waterproof and very durable. Thus, locks your locker conveniently and securely. At number 4, Fourdigit Combination Disc Padlock with Hardened Steel Shackle. Afraid of battery-powered locks? You should check the Fourdigit Combination Disc Padlock. This lock can resist all weathers. Sunny, snowy, rainy, this lock won't break. To add, the Fourdigit padlock is made with stainless steel and a hardened steel shackle. With this, it has increased strength and security. Also, it has anti-corrosion and anti-freeze. Perfect for any weather and exposure. Moreover, this disc padlock is heavy and durable. Not like cheap, semi-plastic locks. With this, your locker is like secured by a security guard. To add, it minimizes shackle exposure. Also, it doesn't break against bolt cutters. Hence, thieves can't reach your belongings. Your things will remain untouched and safe. At number 3, Masterlock 653D Locker Lock. The Masterlock 653D uses a 4-digit combination method. Choose your own combination from 10,000 choices. In addition, it has a smooth and soft touch body. Never worry about rough and poorly crafted edges. Also, it has a side window. Provides easy viewing for convenience. Moreover, it has a non-slip feature. With this, it makes handling easier. Furthermore, it comes with 4 different colors. Choose from red, yellow, blue, and orange. Also, the combo lock has a construction made with a metal body and hardened steel shackle. With this, your lock is secured from cutters. To add, it has a simple yet elegant design. Perfect for users looking for design and durability. At number 2, Forge TSA Open Alert Indicator Combination Lock. The Forge TSA Open Alert Lock has the best feature. It is recognized as the most durable lock by the TSA. Hence, what is there to doubt for? To add, it is made with special alloy and hardened steel shackles. Also, it has a patented internal mechanism. With this, intentional pounding and cutting won't break this lock. If it breaks, then a refund is secured. It also has a unique feature. The Open Alert indicator will notify you of inspection. With this, a red indicator will pop when an agent unlocks it. Be aware of unnoticed and unaware inspections. Furthermore, it has a 3-digit combination method. Thus, it is much simpler and convenient. The Forge TSA Open Alert Lock will definitely go above one's expectations. At number 1, TSA Approved Luggage Travel Lock. This luggage travel lock is TSA accepted. TSA agents won't have to break the lock open. In addition, this lock is keyless. Use only a 3-digit combination to unlock. Stay away from key misplacements and loss. Moreover, it comes with a set of 2. Save money by buying 2 in the price of 1. Hence, a perfect choice for budget yet quality cautious people. Furthermore, the TSA approved lock comes in the color black. It is perfect for males and females. Simple, yet elegant. Unlike usual locks, it uses a highly durable cord. This cord is made from premium quality zinc. Hence, very durable and secure. With this lock is perfect for locking bigger luggage and lockers. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.